Hi, I'm Donna Bauer, the original note buyer, and I gotta tell you, business is booming. In my 30 years of doing notes, I've never seen such a wild market. It is great. Note sellers need cash now, and I can show you how to give it to them. And what's really cool is you'll be able to put cash in your pocket and never even leave your own home. From the safety of your own home, you can be making boatloads of money flipping seller carryback notes. It is so awesome. And if you want to grow your IRA, there is no better way to do it than with notes. You know, notes are one of the best kept secrets in real estate, but truly, without a doubt, they are the fastest, easiest way, safest way to make money. And I'm going to be sharing that at the Michigan RIA. Mark your calendar now, clear your schedule, and plan on joining me there on Thursday, May 20th. I'll be sharing some of my very top strategies, and I'll show you exactly how you can be making money with notes. And then on Saturday, May 22nd, I'm going to have an all-day workshop with Michigan RIA from 9 to 4. You definitely don't want to miss that, because that's where I can really get into the nuts and bolts of how you can make quick cash, or you can build your IRA and build retirement for yourself quickly and safely. So clear your schedule, register now, and I can't wait to see you at the Michigan RIA.